Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce virtualization costs with VMware easy tutorial step by step clearly. Let's begin by understanding the importance of reducing virtualization costs with VMware. Start by assessing your current infrastructure. Evaluate the performance and utilization of your existing virtual machines. Identify underutilized VMs that can be consolidated or powered down. Next, consider right-sizing your VMs. Reduce the allocated CPU and memory resources, aligning them with actual workloads. Implement VMware vSphere DRS to optimize resource distribution. Enable Distributed Resource Scheduler for automated balancing. Continue by utilizing VMware vSAN for storage optimization. This helps to eliminate the need for expensive external storage solutions. Now, look into VMware's licensing options. Consider shifting to subscription-based licensing if it fits your organization's needs. Utilize capacity planning tools within VMware to forecast resource needs accurately. Analyze trends and patterns in resource consumption for smart scaling. Next, monitor your costs with VMware Virtualize Business. This tool provides insights into the financial impact of your virtualization efforts. This can help streamline deployment and maintenance tasks, reducing labor costs. Regularly review and optimize your disaster recovery plan. Use features like Site Recovery Manager to minimize downtime and reduce costs effectively. Lastly, keep your environment updated and patched. This enhances performance and security, which can protect against costly downtime. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce virtualization costs with VMware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.